my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well today. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today's video is a monthly cut crease collab with the beautiful ladies I'm part of here on YouTube. I haven't done it for a couple of months and I do apologize, ladies. I was just busy with other things. So we are going to do the cut crease collab today. I already have my eyelids prep and ice. Oops. And I've used this Touch Anyways concealer from Milani. And this is number 03 Honey. There we go. Okay. So I'm just blending this over this eye, over both eyes. I'm keeping my eyes, no pun intended, on this particular eye. I'm not quite sure what's with the puffiness. My eyes are not hurting. It doesn't really bother me. It could be from weight gain. I mean, who knows? But we're just gonna keep an eye on that. I'm using this palette from BH Cosmetic. This is a Garnet palette for January. Well, Garnet is a stone, and it's for January, and it's a lovely palette. You guys would have seen this before. Okay, these are the colors right here. I was kind of playing around with this color, and it's a pressed pigment, so I need to be very careful how I use that just to avoid anything getting into my eyes. And of course, I'm using my crease line kit tool because this is a big help for me, and I do recommend this for some of you who are having issues with cut creases. I am not perfect at doing this. I said this many times. But if you are somebody who is struggling with cut creases just to get that line straight, this is a good way to go. It's not a perfect tool, but it does help. So there's a color here, which is a deep brown color called Work It. And that's what I'm going to be using to start. It's a deep brown. So this is my tool. This just goes right over my eyes. And I'm just going to start because I really want to have a little line going. Just like so. I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. Like I said, it's not a perfect tool, but it does help. And you see how I got that nice little crease going right there? That lovely little line. So I'm just going to blend this out a little bit. And so I'm going to use this concealer. This is NW40 from MAC. And I'm just going to just go right across the line. And so because I'm working with a pressed pigment, I'm going to go in with my glitter glue. And I'm just going to take a little brush and I'm going to put as much as I can just under the lid, so that color can stick. So I'm now taking a very small brush like this, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray this a little bit. And I'm going to dip into this pressed pigment because I don't want anything getting into my eyes, okay? And this pressed pigment is called Street Smart. This is an incredible pressed pigment color. Love this so much. And as you can see, my brush is wet and I have no flyaways from this glitter at all. None. So that's a good tip for you guys. Just make sure your brush is wet and you have your glitter glue on before you put your pressed pigments on. I mean, you guys already know that. That is lovely. So I'm going to take Loyal, which is another color in here, and it's like a deep purple color, and I'm just going just right above that black line. And so I'm just going to go back in to make sure that line is nicely filled in. And I'm going back to work it, and I'm just going to take that brush again, really deep color, and I'm just gonna tap it on the side. I'm going to use my Sigma switch and wipe this off because I don't want all the glitter to get on the brush. And I'm going back in, and just to give that corner a little bit of a smokiness. I'm going to make this a little deep. Okay. Now I'm going to use my black liquid eyeliner from Rituals. And I'm just going to do a little wing thing. Let me bring my mirror close. Now that is looking really good. Okay, this is really, really lovely. I love this Garnet palette. Really, really, really pretty. My eyes are done, and I think I like that smokiness that's happening. I'm going to use my white eyeliner just right there in the corner of my eyes, just like that. And I'm going in with the blue. So I do like that little punch of blue in the waterline. I really do. This blue eyeliner pencil is called Royal Blue. It's from BH Cosmetics. And I really do like that. So I'm going in with my 410 Fenty Beauty Foundation today. Give that a little, just a little shake. And I'm going to use a beauty blender. And we're just going to blend this out. This is a really lovely foundation, guys. It really is. I can definitely wear this foundation for the fall. Definitely. I'm now going in with my concealer here from L'Oreal Paris. And this is one of my favorite concealers. I'm just going to put a little bit under my eyes. I don't really like concealers that are too bright on my face. I just hate it. So let's just blend this out. I'm going to use my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this on the table. I'm using my MAC NW44 powder, and I'm using a stippling brush just to give me a little bit of a balance on my skin. Where is this brush from? This is an Eve Pearl stippling brush. And that's plenty for powder. I'm now going in with my Viva Havana bronzer. I love this so much. Very, very pretty. And it came along with the brush. So I'm just going to give myself a little bit of something. Do you see that? Just a little bit of bronzing, just right around here. Not too much. And I can use this even on my cheeks, just to give me a little bit of, just a little bit of something. I love this so much. Just to give myself a little bit of a bronzer. This is so pretty. This is recommended for you guys. I don't care what your skin tone is, you can use this. So I feel like something red under lips today. This is called Own Your Empire. This is from Maybelline, and we're just gonna go right in with this. That is pretty. I do have my lip liner here from Becca. You guys know this lip liner already. It's called Fun. This is a very pretty lipstick. Just like so. I'm going to set everything with my favorite setting spray from It Cosmetics. I love that setting spray. Okay, my lovelies, here we are with the finished look. And again, this is a monthly collab with the beautiful ladies here on YouTube. All of their video links is going to be in the description box for you guys. And I do hope you like this look today. I do like it. This palette is amazing. This palette is so tiny and it gives me such a dramatic look. This is the Garnet palette from BH Cosmetics. I use only 3 colors from this palette today. I used Loyal, Work It, and Street Smart. 3 colors alone that I used from this palette gave me such a beautiful, bold look. This is amazing. I really like this. And I hope it's coming across okay for you guys. But I also love the little punch of blue in the waterline. It really makes it look so pretty. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I like every single look that I do. And I hope the cut crease is coming across okay, and I hope I do make you ladies proud. I'm so happy to be part of this collab with you guys every month. I know I missed a couple of months, but I am back on track now for next month as well. And of course, I love the lipstick. This bronzer from Lise Watier, you have to get it. It's called Viva Havana. Beautiful, love it. And I do hope you guys enjoy this video today, and I do hope you love this look. I definitely enjoy making this look today. I really do. And I feel like every time I do my makeup, I'm stepping up the game just a little bit because of this cut crease tool. This is such a big help for me, guys, when I'm doing this cut crease, to be honest with you. And I really love the way this has turned out. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Doodles!